Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Tremendous Tuesday. As you can see, I got sheared. And just in time for the 3-digit heat. I feel so much better. And I look better. Yes. Tremendous Tuesday. Let's go back to Monday. Last night, I prepared drunken noodles. Always a hit in the house. Always. It was very good. I will get the recipe up today. Tonight, I'm doing a 3-part meal. Pan-Seared Mediterranean salmon in tomato and basil sauce. Lemon-infused couscous pearls. And savory balsamic soy roasted garlic mushrooms. Wow, that's a mouthful. Whew. Let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Yeah. Gonna be a lot of fun tonight. All right. We got the basil, which actually I'm going to go out and get some more because I didn't screw up. Basically, I don't like to get my basil too early in the week because I didn't have my actual schedule, until like Sunday. So we'll be headed to the market to get some more basil. There's a little bit of sugar. There's this wonderful salmon. There's some veggie stock for the sauce. The cherry tomatoes or cherubs, whatever they are. A little bit of heat in the red pepper flakes. Lemon. Olive oil. It's garlic day. I get to put together the garlic. I get to smash it, whatever I do to it. Salt, pepper, kind of go throughout all three. Couscous. Some chicken stock. More lemon, because this is lemon infused. So we got some lemon, shallot. This is a shallot week, by the way. A lot of shallots were bought yesterday. Some parm, some butter, some flat leaf parsley. Flat leaf parsley is also in the mushrooms. I got some whole mushrooms, which I'm actually going to quarter these. There's the soy, the balsamic. There's some honey in this and some thyme. Of course, there's garlic and other things that are down at the end of the line, middle of the row here. And there's my hardware out there for garlic day. Yes, I might be jumping in that pool today. And tomorrow, and possibly the day after that. It's supposed to be triple digits all the next 3 days. So, got some fun time going this week, going in here. I got zesting, I got dicing, and I got cutting, and all kinds of fun stuff today. So, on this tremendous Tuesday, or AKA Taco Tuesday, but as you can see, there's no tacos in this house tonight. Nope. It's salmon and couscous and mushrooms. That's the short version. All right, on this tremendous Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.